Welcome to your full moon in Sagittarius, astrology, numerology and angel card forecast, guiding you to make the most of this full moon on Wednesday the 11th of June. Let's take a look at what this full moon means for you. So for the Sagittarians out there, this is your time to shine. When you have the full moon in your sign, it's a time of harvest, abundance, success, release, truth. So yeah, a lot going on for Sagittarians, and for the other fire signs also, Aries and Leo. This is a really powerful moon for you to take action, to take a leap of faith and to have faith in yourself. And for all the other signs, we are really feeling the energy of this Sagittarius moon. We need Sagittarius in our life because Sag helps us to be bold, to be brave, to take a risk and to connect to the adventurous, free-spirited part of yourself. So I love full moon in Sagittarius. It's always a good one. Sometimes it can bring in a bit of a change, a sudden letting go, release, a new awareness, especially with this full moon. I feel like there could be a bit of an epiphany. We have got some tension in the skies at the moment. We've got Venus squaring Pluto. Now that is causing a few problems on the relationship front. So Venus rules money and it rules love. So if you're feeling tension in your financial life, in your romantic life, then this is why. So this square is helping you to confront some deeper issues, perhaps some things that have been going on in your closest relationships for some time. It's about looking at the truth of the matter. Regarding your financial life, maybe it's time to say, you know what, I'm overspending, or whatever it might be, or you know what, I'm going to move forward with this business idea that I'm really excited about, because Sagittarius is about your passion, connecting to what excites you and what you're passionate about. So use the energy of this strawberry full moon in Sagittarius to really help you to follow your passion and your heart. So I'm working with the Archangel Michael cards today. The numerology of this moon is another 17-8. So the last full moon in Scorpio, the total of the date was 17-8, and this is the same tomorrow on Wednesday the 11th of June. So I'm recording this the day before. I always feel this is when we start to feel the energy of this full moon is 24 hours beforehand. So perhaps some truths have come to light for you. Perhaps you are admitting the truth to yourself around a particular area of your life or situation, or perhaps some new information has come to you to help you make some clear decisions for the next 6 months, because we're almost at the midpoint of the year. Can you believe it? So this is definitely the moment to sit, reflect and ask yourself, what is working well for me? And what actually do I need to release as I move into the second part of the year? So let's kind of bear that in mind as we look at these cards. So maybe there's a question on your mind, maybe there's an area of life you need a bit more clarity about. As I take the cards, just see how they speak to you. Okay, first card, take your time making this decision. That's interesting because with Sagittarius, we tend to be quite impulsive and we want to leap in and we want to do something. Yeah, I'm going to do it. Never mind, it'll be fine. Okay, this is saying no, that we need to hold on a little bit longer perhaps. Okay, so this is saying, Archangel Michael, please help me to stay strong and relaxed as I approach this situation. Remind me to detach and step back, allowing the situation to naturally unfold. Thank you for protecting me. So perhaps this is a time of being patient and waiting. Sagittarius hates waiting. Who likes waiting? Who wants to be patient? We want the answer now. We want to move forward now. But actually, this is saying, take your time. There's no rush. Relax and breathe. Look at the pros and cons, and perhaps make this decision after the new moon in Cancer on the 25th of June. We have got Jupiter now in the sign of Cancer and Mercury. So Jupiter's in Cancer for the next year. We've just come out of Gemini, Jupiter. We've had that sign for a year. So can you feel the shift? Can you feel the shift from Gemini to Cancer? Cancer is helping us to admit our feelings, to connect to our feelings, to be honest about our feelings, to communicate our feelings. It's all about how we feel with Cancer over the next month in particular, because Mercury's in Cancer for about 3 weeks or so. So how can you really connect and trust your intuition at the time of this new moon? Full moon even. The new moon is the time to take the action. Full moon is usually a time of reflection. So believe and trust. This is so Sagittarian. So Sagittarius is about having faith, and this card is saying Before you go to sleep tonight, say, Archangel Michael, please enter my dreams, replace fear with faith and trust. Let me be filled with strength, courage and confidence. That is a brilliant, brilliant card for Sagittarius. Look at that, beautiful colours. Believe and trust. Believe and trust in yourself. Believe and trust in the angels, the universe, your higher power, whatever it is. Believe and trust that there is a plan. So just be calm, be still, be silent, be grateful, and see what your intuition is guiding you towards at the time of this full moon. Okay. I'm liking these messages. Be gentle with yourself. Yeah, this is very important. It's a time of nurture. So Archangel Michael, please guide me in treating myself with gentle, nurturing love in everything I think and in everything that I think and speak and do. Help me know that I deserve this compassion. I release any feelings of guilt so that I may experience lasting inner peace. Okay, that's really good. This is about you putting yourself first. This is about saying, this is what I need. What do I need to do to take care of myself? This is the energy of Jupiter in Cancer for the next year. What do you need to do to take care of yourself? Put in the boundaries, do not feel guilty, put yourself first, relax, take your time and believe and trust in all of your abilities. I've got a good feeling about this full moon. Do pop a comment below, like or share this video. I am holding a workshop on Zoom on Friday the 13th from 7:30 till 9, helping you to develop your connection to your higher self and all of those spirit guides and angels that surround you. And we will be working with the angel cards too. So if you'd like to join us, I'm going to pop a link below. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you again soon with the next forecast.